your Hi guys, Book here from VSTROM, and today we're going to walk you through the Enduristan Blizzard. It's a saddlebag set which you can just drop over your bike, attach to a few points, and you're ready to go. Really surprised me how much storage room it had and what I could all get in there. So let me show you the features. The Enduristan Blizzard L, because of the L shape, I guess. I haven't seen a smaller one yet, but probably they have. First of all, outside it just looks nice, you know, it looks aggressive, black with a little bit of red through it, and it just looks like an adventure piece of kit. First thing that really is noticeable is these loops, cargo loops. You can just hang some extra stuff in. Also, these hook loops you can put the Enduristan base pack onto, which just makes your volume go from in a combined of 24 to extra 6.5, and on the other side also 6.5 liters. Just really complete, just for the stuff you need quickly, real easy. Let's see inside. Double safety, that it doesn't lift up, it doesn't let any water in, but here of course you also have clippers. What's inside there, I'll get back to that. As you can see, it's just mounted right over the saddle with these adjusters to tighten up your bags to your bike real good. For my bike, I needed this extra rack to keep it off the exhaust, and the other side I needed to keep it off the wheel. Here, this is a wrapped through guard with some iron hooks in there. Don't know if you can see it down there. They grip under my top case rack, so it secures the Blizzards real good. The other mounting is up at the passenger foot pegs. Just tighten it up, loop it around, tie it up somewhere so it doesn't get in between your wheels, and presto, it's on there. As you can see here, I have my tent, some stuff under there. You probably can't see it on the GoPro. The Enduristan red inside cover, yeah, it's real nice. You can see all the way down if you take your stuff out, if you still leave some little stuff in there. Super really durable outer coating, and it's just waterproof all the way through. It contains 3 layers. The outer layer is really abrasion proof, the inside waterproof layer, especially for when this outside rubs away, and on the inside we have the Enduristan red inner lining. Little plastic help here to get you settled up, squared away. It's a little bit hard to do it with one hand, but like a lot of things are hard to do with one hand. You just need a little bit of persuasion. Here you go, 100% watertight if you clip them shut. If you clip these over, also 100% water, dust, and snow proof. Doesn't matter what gets on there, it doesn't come in. So that's about it. Glenn from All Road Moto hooked me up with this this set of Enduristan base packs and the Blizzard. So if you're searching for a nice saddlebag combo, just try these ones out. If you want to know where to get them, allroadmoto.be is the spot to go. It's also down here in the links. Just click the All Road Moto logo and you're set. Glenn will gladly send you a couple of those Blizzards or whatever else you want to order there. Later.